Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a brand new fall project to share with you. It's a new design. Check it out. Hi again, friends. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me for this today. And for all the newcomers, I am so grateful that you are here. I'm super excited to get into this project. So I created a fall-themed style simple album that I'm calling my Grateful Mini Album using this Happy Fall paper by Echo Park. Beautiful cut-apart pages, 4x4, 3x4, and 4x6, landscape and horizontal. And then we've got this delightful cardstock sticker sheet. This is all I used, one pack of this paper. That's it. I use all heavy-duty cardstock for my base construction. I use only chipboard for my bases as my covers, okay? So for those of you new here, I am an online art instructor that I actually teach these scrapbooks for a living. I've got over 2,100 students right now in a Facebook group of over 500 of them sharing all their projects that they made using my tutorials, and they're sharing it amongst each other, and they're just my best friends, and I'm so excited. So if you are interested in seeing how my tutorials look or my teaching style, you can go ahead and stay tuned. At the end, I'll be playing a tutorial trailer. So right here on the front cover, I actually created my own little pocket frame on the front where you can just stick a photo, okay, front or back, totally customizable. Now it's brilliant because we've got acetate throughout this book. Again, I'm just absolutely addicted to using acetate. It's a problem I have, and you know what? It's a problem that I'm okay with. That we have stickers from the elements page, okay? I popped this up as well as the frame, and I just kept it simple. This paper is super busy. I counteracted that with this delightful tight knit pattern right here. And here's the back. Okay, beautiful. This is a nice slim book. It does have a pocket page in it, only one hinge, and it's a fantastic book to learn from. I think you'll learn a lot if you jump in. So we've got acetate right here, and I wanted my little brad twist closures to kind of have this acetate feel, so I decided to throw that in there. And I love it. No die cuts needed. And right off the bat, we've got immensely huge amounts, okay, of photo storage. This is a 1/4-inch gusseted pocket right here, pouch. So these actually expand as well. So I decided to kind of throw that new idea in there. And these are all the cut aparts. Look what you get. I only used one pack, and I was able to get this whole book totally decorated and decked out, okay? I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Oh my goodness. It could probably hold about 70 photos. Oh my goodness, check out these tags underneath this pocket. Got some journaling lines on the back of there using my chalk marker. I can't help it. Okay, I hope it's wonderful weather wherever it is that you are. We're having some beautiful November sunshine over here in California. So here's an insert. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Okay, just absolutely adorable. I've got my Stampin' Up! Tab punch right there. Beautiful, and a nice angle pocket. So right here is our first pocket page. This is a mechanism here. This is a nice hefty page. We've got a nice magnetic closure right here holding this flap down, and it opens up. Place for photos on the inside. That magnetizes closed, and you know what? Look at that. I left a cut apart page in there. Look how cute. Okay, and you can put photos anywhere you want in this album. It does not have to be just here. Then this whole mechanism opens up and it reveals the inside here. We've got some more photo space, some little stickers. And of course, everything's able to be tucked under, okay? I left it open. How beautiful is that? And you can stuff way more in this pocket right here. How pretty. Oh my gosh. I just love it. And this is a beautiful insert right on the inside. Bunch of photo space right here, and that just goes back into the pocket. This came together in about a day. Did you see that? Okay, so here's another beautiful little photo spot right there. A nice little acetate frame. I just have to show it off, okay? Sorry. I use indirect light so you won't be able to see it unless I tilt it up. Beautiful. I just added a couple strips right here to the sides. And then we've got this delightful little layout. I love these trees and this little sticker right there. envelope punch board, created that little notch right there, and these just tuck right back in. Then I have another insert, way more photo space right here. Bingo. And look at that cute little angle. So simple, so simple. These tiny little details make an album look awesome. And this is something you can do. Just steps and you will be on your way. Check this little thing out. This falls through. I call this my fuse page. I am so glad it's fall time. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, this is just fun. Honestly, it's just for fun. Okay, and it looks adorable. So there that is. A couple photo spaces on the back. And then I have some elements here holding down that magnetic closure right there. And we've got some side-by-side waterfall flaps. Beautiful. Some chalk marker designs like a nutcase. You know how I do. You can even put like a pocket down here or more picture space. Totally your choice. And I show you how to lay these side by side so they don't bump into each other. Then we have another pocket right here. And these are a double duo frame right there. Okay? Brilliant. Absolutely awesome. So this is a fun feature. I'm going to go ahead and move it up here so you can see. So this one comes down. We have photo space inside here. Then it goes up. So we have other photo space right here. Total 4x6, no cropping necessary. Tuck it under those beautiful little elements. And then right here. Super adorable. So in all, this whole mechanism comes out. Okay, this is what we're really looking at. So we got tons of space in here. And you are right, this is a fantastic accordion style little pocket flip right here. Like this, and it's just super adorable. Front and back, okay, beautiful. Thank you everyone so much for watching. This is my Grateful mini album. I'll leave the link down below to my website so you can check out this tutorial. I cannot wait to see you over there. So thank you so much. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Hi friend, I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Welcome to the Grateful mini album tutorial. This is optional. I just like to get precision scoring done instead of using this bone folder, but my assistant actually said she has a better time with this. As far as adhesive is concerned, I've got the Scotch ATG gun. This is where we stamp our little camera and where we place our photo. So this is 8.5 by 11, solid white cardstock, lightweight. And I'm just super excited. So here's the leaf page and here's the back of that. We have a very tight knit pattern, almost creating like a solid. You can see that design on there. That is adorable. I want to point something out to you very quickly, is that every chipboard has a bendy side and a stiff side. So the straighter I laid the tape, the straighter the guide. And I'm going to burnish it again. Again, you can use any adhesive it is that you'd like. In this tutorial, I'm just showing you how to do it. The way you do it is entirely your choice. I'm kind of just folding this in. I'm almost kind of using all this area here. Folding it in, kind of like a present. We got a G pocket, one piece 4x4. Fantastic little F pocket here. Let's score this one with the 5 1/4 inch side along the top. And again, let's make it a pocket. The way I like to fold onto my score lines is to actually get a piece, and I see the bumpy side here that's poking out at us, to stick tape on. Okay, so I'm not on this side taping. I am on this side. A while back, and I'm just going to apply it right on here, and it fits perfect. So I'm going to actually put my pencil lead at the initial mark, bring my ruler to it, straighten it out, and then make a mark like this. And then the next piece is 3 3/8 by 3 5/8. My closure is going to be on the left side, opening on the right. Okay, and let's just stick this guy on top. Grab the flap, turn it. Does that look appropriate? Indeed it does. So I'm going to solidify that in there. And now we have an F piece, 3 1/4 by 4. I have some scraps I can use. One D tag, 3 by 5. We're going long ways horizontal here for these pieces, just like this. Or actually actually going to measure the same each. A total of 2 pieces, 3/4 of an inch by 4.